afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday. So, this right here is called Break the Timeline Cinematic 3D Identity Scene. So, I know you guys have probably, I'm not going to assume, but if you have been seeing those images all around where people are busting out of the Facebook UI and things like that, let me see if I can grab one so I can show you. Here's one. Here's one that I did. Here's another one. I created a generator to make it easy to do. So this is my generator, break the timeline. So let's just scroll down. So the first thing I added was identity consistency. So you can't do any changes to that because you have to when you put it in the image generator, you have to upload a photo of yourself, and it says to maintain facial structure, skin tone, hairstyle, and proportions. Do not alter my identity. So the first thing you can do is pick your platform of choice. So your options are Facebook, IG feeds, IG Reels, TikTok, X, LinkedIn. So for this one, we're gonna do TikTok. I haven't done TikTok yet. And then you would put your name here. This is edible, so you can just take my name out and use your own name. I'm gonna put mine back though. Just wanted you to see that you don't have to use my name. Post headline, you can do leaving 2025, closing this chapter, leveling up, end of an era, breaking the cycle, or you can add your own. So it gives you an option to add a headline there. But we're gonna choose breaking the cycle. Okay, and then the bottom caption, you can do stepping into 2026, new year, new level, the next era, future forward, watch me rise, other. I'm going to do future forward. I was going to do watch me rise, but I kind of like future forward. You can also, let me bring this to your attention. You can also do randomize all selections if you're like, hey, I just want to do a picture. I don't want to do all that. Okay, so then you can pick your body position in 3D action. So you can do climbing out of the phone, stepping forward out of a timeline, breaking out the screen, bursting through the interface. Let's do stepping forward because I've done the other ones. And then the 3D perspective, 1 foot extended. I'm gonna just choose extreme depth. I've never done that. Then you can choose your break effects. You can do glass shards, pixels, digital debris. Let's do glowing data particles. Okay, and this is the fun part. You can pick your wardrobe. You can pick a hybrid, manual, pick the other pieces or other. I'm gonna pick the other pieces. So you can do. I have CEO chic, boss blazer, Lux Street, night out, airport fly. Um, let's do boss blazer. And then it's going to ask you to pick your pieces down here. But again, you don't have to do all this. You can just hit random, random, random if that's your thing. I'm gonna do graphic statement. Um, you can always pick too, but I mean you can customize it like if you want orange or something. I'm gonna do red. Ripped jeans. I'm gonna do leather pants. No, I'm gonna do tailored trousers. And you can do red bottom heels, pointed toe shoes, sneakers, heel boots. I mean ankle boots. Sorry, I'm Russian. I'm gonna do red bottoms, and then you can pick. I'm gonna pick a mini bag. So then you can pick lighting and style. You can do. I'm gonna do same light direction, but you can pick different lightings. It's just 3 different options, and then you can do hyper realistic. I'm gonna take this off. Um, and then let's take bold off. So once you have that, you just hit view full prompt, and then here's your full prompt. So you go to copy prompt to clipboard, and then sometimes this gives you trouble. If it does, just copy it the old fashioned way. You know how it is. It tells you how to use it. So, and then it tells you how to profit from it. Um, I'm not sure why that's there, but This, and then also it gives you a link to join my school community, the Empire Room. So let's go over here. I already have a page up. So Gemini already has a picture of me, so I'm just gonna drop it in the prompt in there. I hope it doesn't give me any backsass because it keeps saying upgrade to make a video, and I'm like, hey, I do have an upgraded account. One, just not this one, and then two, I ain't trying to make a video. You can also use Chat GPT, and you can just drop an image of yourself in it. You can use Whisk as well, but this is how it came out. Very cute. She looks like she's marching, but yeah, make whatever images you want. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want this tool, I am going to put it in the Empire Room. So if you're not in the Empire Room, join. You can grab the tool and leave if you want, but I'm sure you'll want to stay because we're a great group.